Stop scrolling. You are probably doing at least one of these 6 things right now, and it is quietly destroying your body from the inside out. Let me show you the terrifying truth behind your everyday habits. Do you think using a cotton swab is the best way to clean your ears? Actually, instead of pulling the wax out, you are usually just ramming it deeper into your ear canal, packing it into a hard, dense wall. But the real danger happens when you push the swab just a few millimeters too far. The cotton tip completely bypasses the wax block and violently strikes your ultra-delicate tympanic membrane. With just a tiny bit of extra force, the swab easily pierces right through the thin eardrum tissue, instantly dislocating the tiny auditory bones behind it and potentially leaving you with permanent hearing loss. Have you ever felt a massive sneeze coming on and pinched your nose to hold it in? When you sneeze, your body generates incredible pressure to expel irritants out of your airways at over 100 miles per hour. If you block that exit by closing your mouth and pinching your nose, that highly pressurized air has to go somewhere else. It gets violently forced back up into your eustachian tubes, risking a ruptured tympanic membrane, or it gets pushed deep into your chest cavity. In extreme cases, this trapped tornado can actually tear the delicate tissues in your pharynx or trap air around your lungs, leaving you with a genuine medical emergency. Do you love blasting your favorite songs at maximum volume through your headphones? It feels like an escape, but deep inside your ear is a microscopic forest of delicate, glowing sensory cells. When you crank up the volume, massive acoustic shockwaves crash into this fragile ecosystem. The extreme pressure bends these tiny structures too far, causing them to physically snap and permanently lose their glow. Once these cells go dark, your hearing never recovers, which is exactly why I must ask. Have you ever been too tired to take out your contact lenses before bed? You might want to think again. Sleeping with contacts creates a dark, oxygen-free trap on your eye. This is the perfect environment for microscopic amoebas to multiply. They crawl under the lens and slowly begin to consume your transparent eye tissue, leaving you with permanent vision loss. And that's exactly why. Do you love scrolling on your phone in the pitch dark before sleep? It feels like the perfect way to unwind. But deep inside your eye, an intricate network of microscopic light sensors is hard at work. When you stare at a bright screen in total darkness, a concentrated beam of artificial blue light lasers directly into this delicate system. This harsh energy overloads the fragile structures, causing them to physically overheat, glitch, and permanently burn out. Over time, this constant digital stress leaves lasting damage behind, which is exactly why I must ask, do you reach for nasal spray the second your nose feels slightly stuffy? It feels like instant magic, but inside your nose, a complex network of delicate pneumatic tubes controls your airflow. When you pump that mist, an icy chemical shockwave violently shrinks these tubes, forcing the airway wide open. However, as the chemicals wear off, the tubes aggressively rebound, swelling massively out of control and crushing the tunnel shut. This traps you in a suffocating cycle of physical dependency, which is exactly why I must ask, don't forget to like and follow Strange Medicine for more.